Hey guys, this is how to remove an object or people from your photo on Android phone. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your any browser, like I am using here the Chrome browser. So once you are here in the new tab, you have to just search here for Magic Studio and then click to open the first website, which is named as magicstudio.com. And here you have to just click on try now for free, and now click on this icon at the top right corner and then select here for magic eraser. Now here click on upload picture. So here you have to just select for your picture, like I am selecting here this one. So once it is here, you have to just select for the brush size, like I am selecting here this one. You can increase or decrease it according to your requirement. So you have to just select for the object or the people that you want to remove from your photo. So once you select it, you have to just click on the erase option at the bottom right. It will take about 4 to 5 seconds, and right after that your selected object will be removed from your picture successfully. So once you are happy with your photo, you have to just click on the download option at the top. So once you download it, it will save in your gallery. Undo and redo options are also available in this website. So once you are happy with your picture, you can download it from here. So that's how you can remove any of the photo or the people from your picture successfully. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.